Here we are in the garage. The mudding and taping is going on. That's Eileen. Going into the family room and kitchen area. That's the hole for the range vent. Here's a cleanup party. They're taking the plastic bags that had the mud in them for the walls out of the boxes so we can burn the boxes.
Are you sure they don't need any of this? Look at that. Whoa, that's a lot. Are you sure? That's a cool bag.
This is how the walls look with texturing on them. All the things upstairs is from the concrete saw cutting out the section of the floor. It had to be broken into to repair the pipe. Burning boxes. And all the many helpers.
3, 4, 5.
Here's our big dumpster. Putting dirt out by the foundation to get it even for the flood control inspection. Here we are inside the garage. The section of floor that had the plumbing problem has been cut out neatly, and the new pour is going to happen soon to fill in that space. And there's the big pile of concrete that was taken out. These are the doors to be installed inside our new house. Pre-hung doors. That means they already have the frames and the hinges. And the long, wide things are shelving boards. The long, skinny things are trim pieces, like molding for baseboards and around the door.
Eight 14 and a half, and 4 43 and a half.
The trim carpenter, Alan Ray, is working here today with his sons. They're installing all our doors and baseboard moldings. I was here at Home Depot looking for stuff, and there's a rainbow. Double one actually on this end. It's fading. But this one is a full half circle. Very pretty. Hello, Katie. What are you doing?
I'm painting our house.
Which house?
Our new house.
Yay! Here's Benjamin.
Mom, look.
Ben, can you show me your paintbrush?
This is what I.
There it is.
This is what I plan on doing when the paint is all gone on these two parts. I do this.
There's Robert being a good friend to Jacob for a minute.
Can I take my own?
No, I'd like Logan to get it for you this time. Go ask him for some. How's it going, Eileen?
Pretty good. My wrist is very sore.
It's now almost 5:30, and Eileen and Shirley have been here working with Dad and me
Since before sunup.
Yeah, since before sunup. They
I
have been good helpers.
been sanding and painting. My wrists don't feel very good.
Daddy, the busy painting man.
This special toy, the Power Painter.
Hi, Mom. We're calling Mom. Mom.
There's Logan with his poor broken collarbone. His arm is in a sling. So he's helping today with this family night by dipping paintbrushes for little people.
Mom.
This is the stucco crew, putting sand and cement and other things into a mixer. Getting ready to put the stucco on. I think so.
Doesn't look wet till it doesn't dry out.
Our house has a new wet coat of stucco going on.
Se quiere encontrar al monito para ganar la camisa. lo encuentres, solo dile que quieres la tamaliza de la campesina y listo. Oye, las reglas que los locutores de la campesina te van a dar. La búsqueda será cuando el locutor te lo indique. Busca bonito, es idea original de la campesina. Tarjeta telefónica, arriba México, presa.
That big tank there is our septic tank. It's going to go into this great big deep hole. Trenches have been dug to meet up with the plumbing over there. The big dirt pile has been moved. It's gone. It's actually been flattened out. The house is painted. Our new flooring is going in. The wood had to be sanded down and patched and the nails driven in a little farther. Smoothed out. man in the tank is checking the level to see if they got it level. They had it down in a hole once and then had to take it clear out and change the bottom of the hole to make it flat. This is the lid for the septic tank. They have to put down next. Here's our electric transformer and a big hole that was dug next to it, and some piping put in through which they will put something called poles, which are strong strings to fasten the cables to for electric and telephone service. Those two there are for cable TV and telephone. There's a bigger one for the electric service, which we can't see right here. This is the other side of the trench. They left a road to drive over. This is the side that goes up to the panel box on the side of the house. Here's our septic tank with its lid on, down in the hole. There's a trench going one way for one seepage pit, and a trench coming this way for the other seepage pit. All of this is right behind the back patio. There's the back of the house right there.
Like a big fat horse.
What is it you're sitting on, Ben?
A big roll of carpet.
That's right.
And all patio.
All the padding for the carpets. Yeah.
What does the padding do? I
Does
don't
it-
know. It makes the carpet feel soft under your feet. Oh, broken door. Oh, they're not broken. They're supposed to be like that. They go like this. I mean, look at those pieces of the door.
Ben, did you see the pretty kitchen floor all nice?
Uh-huh.
Good. Piles of doors all painted. This is for the cabinets. This is the big machine that will drill the 32-foot deep seepage pits for our septic tank. That is huge. Such a big bit. part of the boom shaking back and forth as it goes. Bringing up another load of dirt. They're filling up the deep holes they dug. Those holes were about 3 feet across, 4 feet across, and 34 feet deep. There's a white pipe sticking up in the middle of the hole. It goes all the way down to the bottom. It has holes in it so liquid can come out inside. These rocks are being used to fill out the holes. This crew is preparing the area where our driveway and a little piece of front sidewalk will be poured. We have a new driveway and a sidewalk piece. It's just barely finished up. Looks nice. Also, there's beautiful white vinyl and aluminum trim on the eaves and overhangs of the house. This is the very last piece of it that's getting put in. The grader is backfilling our septic tank holes, and he's also going to smooth out the dirt around the house and make sure there's a good slope so we can pass our flood control inspection tomorrow.